garden lovers, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming your outdoor spaces into true masterpieces. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. If you've ever dreamed of transforming your porch into a vibrant, welcoming oasis, then you are in the right place. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of porch flower gardens. Whether you have a sprawling veranda or a cozy stoop, your porch offers an incredible opportunity to showcase your green thumb and boost your home's curb appeal. Get ready to be inspired, because we've got some amazing ideas and tips coming your way. So, what exactly is a porch flower garden? Simply put, it's a collection of plants, primarily flowers, strategically arranged and displayed on or around your porch area. Unlike a traditional garden bed, porch flower gardens often utilize containers, hanging baskets, window boxes, and tiered planters, making them versatile and adaptable to various porch sizes and styles. They act as an extension of your home's interior, creating a warm and inviting transition from the outside world. Beyond their obvious beauty, porch flower gardens offer a multitude of benefits. Firstly, they significantly enhance your home's curb appeal, making it more attractive and welcoming to visitors and passersby. This can even increase your property value. Secondly, they provide a sense of calm and well-being. Spending time surrounded by beautiful blooms and lush greenery has been shown to reduce stress and improve mood. Thirdly, a well-designed porch garden can offer privacy, creating a secluded retreat where you can relax and enjoy the outdoors. Furthermore, these gardens can attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, contributing to local biodiversity. Finally, they allow you to express your personal style and creativity, turning your porch into a unique reflection of your taste. Choosing the right plants is key to a thriving porch flower garden. For vibrant splashes of color, consider annuals like petunias, impatiens, marigolds, and geraniums. These are fantastic for hanging baskets and containers, offering continuous blooms throughout the season. For a touch of elegance and height, dahlia, begonias, and fuchsias are excellent choices. Don't forget foliage plants like coleus and sweet potato vine, which add texture in varying shades of green, purple, and chartreuse. For a more structured look, small shrubs like boxwood or dwarf conifers can provide year-round interest. Herbs like lavender and rosemary can also be incorporated for their lovely scent and culinary uses. Always consider your porch's sun exposure when selecting plants. Some thrive in full sun, while others prefer shade. Decorating your porch flower garden is where your creativity truly shines. Start by considering the scale-balanced large statement planters with smaller accent pots. Grouping plants with varying heights and textures creates visual interest. Think about color palettes. A monochromatic scheme can be elegant, while a mix of complementary colors can be vibrant and playful. Don't limit yourself to just flowers. Incorporate decorative elements like lanterns, small sculptures, or even comfortable seating to create a cohesive outdoor living space. Utilize vertical space with hanging baskets, trellises, or vertical planters. Regularly deadhead spent blooms, fertilize, and water your plants to keep them looking their best. And finally, don't be afraid to experiment and rearrange until you find a look you love. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the 20 best porch flower garden design ideas to spark your creativity. One grand spring entrance. A grand porch entrance is celebrated with a magnificent array of spring bulbs, including vibrant tulips and purple hyacinths, lining the pathway. This illustrates how large-scale seasonal plantings can create an unforgettable first impression for your home's porch. 2. Cascading Petunia Paradise. This porch blossoms with a vibrant display of pink and purple petunias, spilling from hanging baskets and large planters. It's a perfect example of how combining trailing flowers with potted arrangements can create a lush, multi-layered porch garden. 3. Autumn Porch Welcome. Embracing the beauty of fall, this porch features a warm and inviting arrangement of orange and yellow mums and marigolds. It demonstrates how seasonal blooms in terracotta pots can effortlessly transform your porch into a cozy autumn flower garden. 4. Holiday Evergreen Porch. This porch is transformed for the holidays with lush evergreen garlands and wreaths adorned with bright red berries. It shows how your porch flower garden can evolve with the seasons, providing festive charm even when flowers are out of season. 5. Hanging Basket Brilliance. A close-up on an abundant hanging basket brimming with pink and purple petunias, showcasing the immediate visual impact a single well-chosen planter can have. Hanging baskets are essential for adding vertical floral interest to any porch garden. 6. Cozy Potted Porch Retreat. This welcoming porch features a thoughtful collection of potted plants in various sizes and textures, artfully arranged around a seating area. It's a perfect example of how a well-curated mix of containers can create an inviting and comfortable outdoor living space. 7. Modern Minimalist Planters. For contemporary homes, this image highlights sleek window boxes filled with structured green shrubs. It's a clean, sophisticated approach to a porch garden, proving that greenery alone can make a powerful and stylish statement. 8. Elegant Floral Garlands. A charming pink house porch is beautifully enhanced by delicate pink rose garlands draped along the railing. This approach adds a romantic and elegant touch, showing how a porch flower garden can incorporate structural floral decor for a sophisticated look. 9. Vertical Living Wall Entry. A striking modern entrance features an integrated vertical garden wall, overflowing with diverse plants and splashes of red blooms. This innovative idea maximizes greenery in a compact space, creating a breathtaking living backdrop for your porch. 10. Symmetrical Porch Pop. A bright teal door is perfectly framed by large, symmetrical planters bursting with pink and purple flowers, complemented by vibrant hanging baskets. This highlights the power of symmetry in porch garden design for a balanced and impactful entrance. 11. Modern Agave Planters. This contemporary porch features large, architectural agave plants in minimalist planters, perfectly complementing the modern wood and stone elements. It's a fantastic example of a low-maintenance yet striking porch garden, ideal for a sleek aesthetic. 12. Pink Petunia Extravaganza. This charming pink home's porch is drenched in the vibrant fuchsia hues of abundant petunias in hanging baskets and large pots. It showcases how a dominant color theme can create an incredibly cheerful and lively porch flower garden. 13. Cottage Charm Railing Garden. A delightful close-up on a porch railing adorned with a whimsical birdhouse and a pot of cheerful mixed daisies. This small-scale setup proves that even limited space can host a lovely mini porch garden, adding a touch of rustic charm. 14. Rich Autumn Harvest Porch. This porch captures the essence of autumn with a rich display of fall blooms like mums and sedum, combined with ornamental grasses. It's a masterclass in creating a multi-textured and colorful seasonal porch garden. 15. Twinkling Evening Oasis. Illuminated by magical string lights, this porch comes alive at night with glowing hanging baskets and pots of deep red flowers. It emphasizes how incorporating lighting can extend the enjoyment of your porch flower garden into the evening. 16. Flowing Porch Perennial Border. A long porch is beautifully softened by a continuous border of colorful potted flowers and hanging baskets that blend seamlessly with garden beds. This design creates a unified and expansive porch garden experience. 17. Relaxing Floral Retreat. This inviting porch, complete with rocking chairs, is framed by lush hanging baskets and vibrant ground-level planters, including a magnificent blue hydrangea. It shows how flowers can enhance a comfortable seating area, turning your porch into a true outdoor sanctuary. 18. Blended Garden Approach. The porch seamlessly integrates with the surrounding landscape, featuring ornamental grasses, vibrant yellow flowers, and pink coneflowers leading up to the steps. This design creates a natural and expansive feel, blurring the lines between the garden and the porch. 19. Tropical Foliage Haven. This porch is a vibrant paradise showcasing the stunning colors of tropical foliage plants like crotons and caladiums in a variety of decorative pots. It's an inspiring example of creating a bold, low-flower porch garden with dramatic leaf patterns. 20. Rustic Autumn Vine Archway. An enchanting porch becomes a natural archway with autumn ivy clinging to its pillars, displaying fiery red, orange, and yellow leaves. This illustrates how climbing vines can add dramatic seasonal beauty and architectural interest to your porch garden. And there you have it, a feast for the eyes and a ton of inspiration for your very own porch flower garden. As you can see, there's no single right way to create one. From rustic charm to modern minimalism, and from vibrant explosions of color to serene green retreats, your porch is a blank canvas just waiting to be adorned with the beauty of nature. Which porch flower garden idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it inspiring, and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more creative ideas to elevate your outdoor spaces. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.